Got a spare battery. All right. Imagine this gets pretty slippery when wet, huh? Mm-hmm. Maybe sliding all over the place, like surfing. Now this is not rocky like some of the other waterfalls we've gone to. But what's cool is at least this is one we haven't been to. You know? You gotta look and see how many they have and make sure we mark off all the ones. Go up. Go straight up. Looks like a path of least resistance.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing? All right, one.
All right.
You know that big one over there, right?
Yeah, that's what they're saying. You gotta go. Yeah, he said it's a long walk.
Over there you come swim?
Yeah. You better have fun.
Hey, take care, guys.
Okay, let's go.
The water's cold, the water's cold, the water's cold. Come on, my love.
Super cold.
There's my old lady. My vieja.
Super cold.
When I love, it's all right. Act like it ain't cold and just keep on going. Keep on going. It is Frio. Rocky Mountain High, Puerto Rico. You barefoot?
Yeah, he don't have to back chocolate. He left his water shoes.
Sam, we're gonna have to do something with buy him some shoes or something. Find him like a store where he can wear his old shoes in here. I saw him, babe. I saw him on the
and the ones
the table.
The ones we bought J4 at the store we went stopped at yesterday or the other day cost him $20.
Yeah. J4. I guess that's gonna be like a cool football name. He ever makes it to the NFL? I see the announcer talking about him now. And J4 just came up and popped him right in the face.
Your sisters would never be able to do this.
No, not a lot of people would do it. Shoot, I can barely make it. But I have trouble making it. But you know what the thing is that like I've been like doing a lot of walking, and is why we're not hurting the next day, you know, because we don't sit around doing nothing all day long, even cutting the yard and all the stuff we do, you know, walking and pushing and whatever, you know. I seen it rain and fire in the sky. Go make, here baby, oh. Over here, I came this way. All right, I gotta take a break here for a second. Let it out.
careful, Jordan. You see it?
Somebody put a little rock there. See it? The thing how we remember
yeah.
that one island we went to?
Yeah.
You know, everybody had one. There were like millions of them. Yeah, I'll have to edit this part out. Me taking a wee wee. You gotta go, you gotta go. Not only a bear shits in the wood and pisses in the woods, also there's Junior when it's necessary. Well, when you're out there in the fields, in the military, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm good, honey. I'm good. Just watch where you're going, honey. Because falling head first is not going to be too forgiving. And since they don't have rescue around here, I might have to leave you behind. All right, baby. You can do it! I seen it. I was thinking about bringing my top part, my wetsuit. You know? I say next time we go ahead and invest in the 2 suitcases and bring whatever we want to bring.
Invest in what?
And bring in 2 suitcases, 2 full ones or 1 big full one,
Yeah.
and bring whatever we want to bring.
What is it called?
I don't know. But if it starts raining, we got to hit high ground.
It's starting to rain.
Yeah, but it's hard. Hey, this little bit could be enough to power the stream. At least we're not going nowhere. There's no
It's gonna rain, Chuck.
nowhere. What do you mean it's gonna rain? It is raining. Come on, honey, get across. Huh? You okay? You all right? Hey, just get over to the side though. But the thing,
I'm not trying to risk my life.
no, the thing is bro, is that we're okay because we're in like a rock area. We're not in that tubing area where the water could take you.
I'm coming, Chuck.
Huh? Well, let's go, baby. Come on, I gotta make sure you're okay, please.
Go deep?
No, come on, come on, come on. He's walking in. You want to go straight across? Go straight across. Come on.
I know.
It hurts the stomach. It's that cold, huh?
It hurts the body.
We gotta get used to it. We're gonna be freezing in a little bit. We'll be shaking. Come on.
Wait, there's rock.
All right, just hold on to me, baby. Just hold on to me. You're okay. All right, we're going up and down. Huh? Oh, it's just rocks and stuff. Oh. There you go.